What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We got a couple mini breaks coming up this afternoon. This is the first one, so appreciate you guys filling it up. Nice little cheap 5-box lineup. Teams are going right now. Good luck. 4 randoms as always. We're live. The other break is posted. Same price, same format, and it's going right afterwards. So here we go. Good luck. It is 1:48 on the clock. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Don't need Vegas. Adam. Then to Andy. I don't think Vegas is here. They're not. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp to third. Timestamp on 3. 1:48. 1:48 it is. Last and final. Okay, fourth and final timestamp on the teams is 1:48 and 1:48. So Edmonton, top of the list, always good, to Detroit. And then we got Pittsburgh down to Florida. There's your teams. Now let's match up the names. 1:49, we're giving you lots of time for trades. Adam to Andy. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 1:49. 1:49. Last and final, and we'll copy them over. Last and final timestamp here says 1:49 and 1:49. Jeremy, top spot, down to Adam, the halfway mark. And then we got Chris down to Corey. Here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments, guys. We'll see you soon in about a little bit over an hour. Thanks for joining us.